Hi everyone, welcome back. So we are having New Zealand yen, KV yen chart. KV yen is in a strong bullish trend since March and rising. All right, so we had a couple of big daily corrections, and since having those daily corrections, it is just keep rising and running within a within an ascending channel, which is very much similar like the euro yen chart. All right, so we are currently looking for this to at least break down and test that trend line. Okay, this is a short-term opportunity, and if it is going to be sharp, going to drop very aggressively, then extend the drop all the way back to these lows. Okay, or simply go back up for another leg higher within that channel. All right, so the opportunity is a sell opportunity and a counter trend opportunity against the bullish trend. Okay, so make sure when you get into the trade, you use reasonable risk and reasonable stop loss as well. Okay, now let's look at the lower time frame, and we are having this channel. Price is simply running within that channel since March after central bank's intervention. Okay, so market is expecting that we're going to have recovery, and based on that, yen is losing its value because yen is a safe haven, and it's just losing value because of that. So there you can see that the structure is very much clear over there, the pattern is very much clear over there. We are having this lag over there. Okay, that lag, this whole lag started from there on 22nd of December and finished at that top on 8th of June. Okay, now the opportunity is there. That's the opportunity. So if I'm going to look at the lower time frame, okay, those were the previous corrections. That was the previous correction. So if I'm going to look at the 1 hour time frame chart, okay, so we are having a very nice correction, 1 hour time frame correction, which is just forming over there. So you're simply looking for that correction to break down aggressively, okay, and price to come at least close to that trend line, okay, where my arrow is showing. Okay, that's going to be the target. And if the move is going to be pretty sharp, let's say very aggressive, all right, or let's say like that move is going to appear over there, very sharp move is going to appear over there, then you can stay into the trade for longer term as well. All right, this sharp move. And if move is not going to be pretty sharp, going to be corrective, slow move, okay, then you can take off your profit and can look for short-term buy opportunity for upside. Very much similar like this previous move, okay, this previous move at there at next leg. So if I'm gonna go to the further lower time frame, all right, or let's say this time frame, all right, so price is correcting, it still can correct, all right, and once that correction gonna complete, just simply look for this to break down. Okay, this correction, it still can get slightly bigger. Okay, so make sure you don't jump into the trade on too early. All right, so watching price section over there within these areas and looking for this. First of all, you're looking for that 1-to-1 risk reward ratio trade. Okay, back to that low, all right, in these areas, back to that low, so stop behind that. So first of all, you look in that trade, and if breakout is going to come as I said, all right, sharp breakout, then extend your target there all the way back to 73.70. And if it is going to break down the channel, okay, which I have just shown on a bigger time frame, then you're expecting it to go much lower. Okay, so when you're going to get into the trade within these areas, so make sure you add those levels. All right, make sure you use reasonable risk. Okay, so don't get it. I mean, don't Don't use high risk over there, because there is possibility that the price still can go all the way back to that top. All right, I mean, this correction can change and price can push all the way back to that top before going to breakdown. So this is a continuation trade. Okay, very nice continuation trade. And we are looking that correction to break down and price to continue to keep pushing lower. If we're not going to get that breakdown, and next leg is not going to appear over there, which we are anticipating, all right, then we will let the price to keep pushing all the way back to that top, this high up to 75.60 or possible new high. And we're going to watch again price action over there from previous top or new high for it to drop back within the channel. Okay, the channel which I have just shown you on 4-hour time frame chart. Okay, so this is a nice, you know, opportunity. Is a counter trend trade. It is a counter trend trade. Okay, but it has a potential. Okay, it has a huge potential to go more downside. Okay, so that's the structure, that's the pattern. And watch price section on lower time frame for the sell. Okay, so it has the potential. Your first target going to be 1 to 1. All right, and second target all the way back to the channel. All right, and if it breaks down very aggressively, just extend your target all the way back to these lows. All right, these lows. So it has a huge potential, as I said. Right, so it's a counter trend trade but has a huge potential, so trade wisely. All right, so thank you very much. We'll see you back again in another trade setup, in another idea. Until then, bye bye.